Morning, friends. In last session, we have discussed about this percolation rate and moisture in soil. So that is your topic 9.5. Okay, with the help of this experiment, we have tried to see that how the moisture is present in the soil. Now, our next topic is topic 9.6, that is absorption of water by soil. Do all the soil absorb water to the same extent? Let us find out. Take a plastic funnel. Okay, this in this activity 9.6, you are given that take a plastic funnel, take a filter paper or a piece of newspaper sheet, fold and place it as shown in the figure. Weigh 50 gram of dry powdered soil and pour it into the funnel. Measure a certain amount of water in a measuring cylinder and pour it drop by drop, gradually, simply. Okay, if you will pour it at an instant, okay, then it will give a different result. But here we have to pour it drop by drop or simply gradually on the soil. You can use a dropper for this purpose. Do not let all the water fall at one spot. Okay, simply at different place. Here in 9.7, okay, in the figure 9.7, you are given that arrangement and how we have to perform this experiment. Okay, pour water all over the soil. Keep pouring water till it starts dripping. Subtract the amount of water left in the measuring cylinder from the amount you started with. This is the amount of water retained by the soil. Record your result in your notebook in the following manner. They simply want to say that whatever the limit of absorption of the soil, okay, will reach. After that one, whatever the excess water is there in the soil, it will be removed by this outlet, okay, from here only. First of all, weight of soil, let's say you have taken 50 gram. Initial volume of water in the measuring cylinder, let's say UML. Final volume of water in the measuring cylinder VML. Okay, so simply whatever the vessel you have taken, okay, here. Now, whatever the volume of water absorbed by the soil will be initial minus final, and it will be U minus V simply. But now, if we are multiplying this with the, okay, if we want to convert this in the weight, okay, then weight of the water absorbed by the soil is U minus V into U minus V gram. So 1 ml of water has weight is equal to 1 gram. Okay, simply they have converted this volume into the weight. Okay. Percentage of water absorbed. Okay, then U minus V. Okay, initial minus final upon whatever the initial was. Okay, initial we have taken this gram of soil. Okay, weight of the soil. Okay, into 100. So repeat this activity with different soil samples. Would you get the same result for all the samples? Discuss the result with your friends and answer the following questions. Okay. So if you will take different samples, then the result also will be differ with them. Okay. And you will say that simply this park, okay, you have taken, if you have taken the sample from the park, then they have more absorption, they can absorb more water. Okay, but if let's say sandy soil is there, then it cannot absorb more water. Okay, so you can see this type of differences. Which soil would have the highest percolation rate? Which soil would have the lowest percolation rate? Uju heard from his neighbor that 8 to 10 days after the rain, level of water in a pond or well rises. Which type of soil will allow water to reach a well faster and in greater amount? So we will simply say that whatever the sample, okay, or whatever the soil have less percolation rate, okay, or simply if it will not absorb more water, it will uh, give the space to run over to the well, okay. Which type of soil remains the highest amount of water and which retains the least? Can you suggest any method to let more rainwater percolate and reach the water underground? Okay, so you can conclude your experiment with the help of this type of questions. Okay, that the differences you are getting with the different samples. Now our next topic is topic number 9.7, that is soil and crops. Different types of soils are found in different parts of India. In some parts there is clay soil. In some parts there is loamy soil. While in some other parts there is sandy soil. These things we have already seen. We have already discussed in the starting of the chapter. Soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light, and humidity. These are some important climate factors which affected the soil profile and bring changes in the soil structure. Climate factors as well as the compound of soil determine the various types of vegetation and crops that might grow in any region. Okay, so simply for any type of crop, we should understand. Okay, we shall understand the nature of the soil. Shall understand that how this soil, okay, or how that what is the nature of the soil regarding this agriculture, okay, or simply how long it can hold the water, how long it can absorb the water, okay, what type of minerals are there, mainly nutrients are there, okay. Clay and loamy soils are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. Such soils are good at retaining water, okay, with that type of loamy soils, okay. For paddy soils rich in clay and organic, for paddy soils rich in clay and organic matter and having a good capacity to retain water are ideal. Okay, as we discussed that sometimes we need more water, sometimes we need less water. I mean to say in absorption. Okay, for lentils, okay, simply that masoor dal generally, okay, and other pulses, loamy soils which drain water easily are required. Okay, for cotton, sandy loam or loam, okay, that mix or only loam, which drain water easily and can hold plenty of water are more suitable. Okay, so as I told you that uh, we have to understand the nature of the soil, okay, or else nature of the crop, that which type of soil it needs. Crops such as wheat are grown in the fine clay soil because they are rich in humus and are very fertile. Find from your teachers, parents, and farmers the type of soils and crops grown in your area. Enter the data in the following table. Which kind of soil would be most suitable for planting rice? Soil with higher or lower rate of percolation. Okay. So this is the last experiment you are given. Okay, in this table 9.2. So that's what we have discussed in this chapter. Okay, this was the last topic from the chapter. You can revise the topic. Revise the chapter. I would like to say that it is quite more important in our routine life also. Okay, whenever you want to go to planting, okay, simply then you should you should use this method, okay, this knowledge again and again. And you can search on internet and other sources that some type of herbs, okay, you can grow at your home only, okay, and it is very easy, which will and some other plants are also there which can purify your air, okay, which can give good vibes to your room, to your good vibes to your home, okay. So you can use this knowledge of from this chapter, soil, okay, in that field. That's it for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you.